Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is subtopic 1.4, gradient and angle between lines. Before we begin, just a reminder, make sure you have already completed the induction activity. It will give you a quick overview of the concept we are going to cover in this subtopic. So, let's begin the lesson. Let's look at the learning outcomes for this subtopic. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Calculate the value of a gradient. 2. Determine the unknown values given the gradient. 3. Calculate the value of an angle between two lines. 4. Determine the unknown given the angle between lines. And 5. You must be able to answer at least 8 out of 10 tutorial questions correctly within 30 minutes. Now, let's explore the concept of gradient. This part has 3 key sections. 1. The formula of gradient. M equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Second, the two types of question you will encounter, which is direct and indirect question. Third, the step to solve both types of question, which is first, identify the keywords. Second step, retrieve or label the necessary information. And the last step, substitute into the gradient formula. There are 4 basic types of gradients: positive gradients, negative gradients, zero gradient, and undefined gradient. Think for a moment. Can you name one real-life engineering application for each of these gradients? Example 1a. Let's go through the first example. Find the gradient between 2 points A 4, 8 and B 1, 5. This is a direct question. You are given both points, so use the formula and substitute the value to calculate the gradient. You will get m equals to 5 minus 8 over 1 minus 4. Solve it and you will find that m equals to 1. Can you identify what type gradient this is? Example 1b, indirect question. Next, we'll look at indirect gradient question. You are told that the gradient is 10 and the points are P, 15, 0 and Q, Q, 2. Substitute all the value into the formula. This gives 10 equals to 2 minus 0 over Q minus 15. Solve algebraically to find the unknown value of Q. So, the final answer is Q equal to 15.2. Let's now move on the second half of this subtopic, the angle between two lines. This is also divided into 3 sections. First, the formula to find the angle theta between two lines. Tangent theta equals to m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 times m2. m1 is the gradient of the first line and m2 is the gradient of the second line. Second, there are 2 types of question. The direct question, which require for you to find the theta, and indirect question, where theta is given and you have to find the value of m or an unknown. Third, step to solve the value. First, identify the keywords. Second, retrieve the gradient. And third step, substitute all the value into the formula. Example 1a, direct angle. Let's find the angle between two lines with first line is y equals to 3x plus 4 and the second line is y equals to 8 minus 5x. From the equation, we have m1 equals to 3 and m2 equals to -5. Substitute both of the value into the formula. This gives us tangent theta equals to 4/7. Now, use the arctangent. Theta equals to tangent inverse 4/7. So the angle between the two lines is approximately 29.74 degrees. Example 1b. Now, let's try the reverse process. You are told that the angle between two lines is 45 degree, and one of the line is y equals to -6x plus 7. From the equation, we have m1 equals to -6 and theta equals to 45 degree. Substitute both of the value into the formula, and this gives us m2 equals to -7/5. This is the gradient of the second line, and that makes a 45 angle with the first. Alhamdulillah, we have come to the end of subtopic 1.4. If you have reached this point, congratulations! You have completed all the examples and explanations for gradient and angle between lines. Now, your task is to complete the lesson activity and the formative assessment to check your understanding. And remember, if anything is unclear, feel free to rewatch any example in this video. Good luck and all the best!